yeah, forgive me if I didn't vlog much. I wasn't in the mood, but I found the answer to what it was my question for this pilgrimage before leaving London. I had something in my head I wanted to find an answer to, and yesterday I found it. The reason why I'm here has actually a name, a lady's name. She's a singer, she's traveling the world, so we hanged out for a while, a few times, not much, but I felt a lot of chemistry there. She goes away for 3 months, again she's really busy opening shows. She went to Philippines for 3 months, and when she came back we met again, and I was so ready to commit to this girl. She had to go to Broadway for 6 months, and that was in last January, so 2017. Since then she disappeared with no replies to any kind of text, emails, Facebook messages, letters, anything. I should have understood sooner that there were clear signs of no interest, anymore, for some reasons which I didn't know. But again, the hope to see her was bigger than that. End of story. This pilgrimage had a original question, which was, am I gonna see her again? Can I have hope in seeing her again? I'm gonna walk 2 weeks waiting for an answer. Yesterday, so 2 days before getting to Santiago, after 10 days walk, I had my answer. Unfortunately, it's a negative answer, so not what I was expecting. Found it on Instagram as well. She is engaged with someone else. So after 7 months I haven't seen her, she's engaged. And I got my answer, I guess. So in a good way, pilgrimage helped me. I achieved what I want to achieve, getting an answer. I hope this person is happy now, even if it hurts as hell to say that, but I'm sure God will send me the amazing woman in my life soon. So if you have time, if you want to do this experience, I totally recommend it. You meet amazing people. If I have questions about anything about life, you come here, walk alone for 2 weeks, or meet people that can give you opinions and experiences. It's good. It's really good. Forgive me. I hope I didn't bring the mood down, but that's my mood today and yesterday night, so even I didn't sleep very well. If you need advice, anything about the Camino, about my experience, if you want to ask things, just comment below, I'm happy to answer. Thanks for watching. See you soon. God bless. It's Lucia's birthday today.
So come along, by the moon above. Let's gather all the treasure we can find. When the tide rolls in, there are you again. So don't worry for the ones we leave behind.
In the next episode. Guys, I found my new Japanese friend Soichi. Let's try to enjoy this last day to Santiago. We're here, 13 days is it. Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and Mamo Air. Subscribe now for the video notifications.